The 17 Laws of Karma to unlock your true self. Get ready to embark on a life-changing journey as we delve into the profound wisdom of the 17 Laws of Karma. Brace yourself for a mind-altering experience that will revolutionize the way you perceive cause and effect. Karma is not merely about punishment and reward, but rather the intricate dance of cosmic balance that governs our lives. Understanding and embracing karma can have a profound impact on how you navigate your interactions with others. It's not just about the past, but also about the intentions and actions you choose in the present. By consciously directing your actions towards positive outcomes, you can shape a future filled with joy and fulfillment. These laws of karma hold the key to unlocking a meaningful and purposeful existence. By mastering these principles, you can pave the way for a life that resonates with positivity and compassion. So without further ado, let's explore the transformative power of karma and how you can apply these laws to your own benefit. Law 1. The law of forgiveness. Forgiveness liberates and heals. This law emphasizes the importance of forgiveness in our journey of personal growth. By releasing resentments, grudges, and negative emotions, we free ourselves from the burden of the past. Through forgiveness, we open ourselves to healing, peace, and the opportunity for deeper connections with others. Law 2. The law of compassion. Compassion connects and transforms. This law emphasizes the transformative power of compassion. By cultivating empathy and kindness towards others, we create deeper connections and foster a more harmonious world. When we approach life with compassion, we not only uplift others, but also experience personal growth and fulfillment. Law 3. The law of reciprocity. As you sow, so shall you reap. This fundamental law reminds us that the energy we put into the world will inevitably return to us. By treating others with kindness, respect, and compassion, we set in motion a cycle of positive energy that will reverberate back into our lives, attracting love, happiness, and abundance. Law 4. The law of intention. Clear intentions shape powerful outcomes. This law teaches us that our intentions shape the outcomes we experience. By setting clear and positive intentions, we align our energy with the desired results. When our actions are guided by pure intentions, we create a powerful force that propels us towards our goals and manifests our dreams. Law 5. The law of alignment. You attract what you are, not what you want. This law emphasizes the power of alignment between our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. To manifest our desires, we must align our internal state with what we wish to attract into our lives. By focusing on personal growth, nurturing positive thoughts, and surrounding ourselves with uplifting influences, we become magnets for the very things we seek. Law 6. The law of detachment. Letting go creates space for miracles. This law teaches us the importance of detachment from outcomes. By releasing attachment to specific results, we create space for miracles and unexpected opportunities to unfold. When we detach ourselves from expectations and surrender to the flow of life, we open ourselves to new possibilities and experiences. Law 7. The law of acceptance. What you resist persists. Embracing this law allows us to free ourselves from the shackles of resistance. By accepting our current circumstances, challenges, and limitations, we gain the clarity and strength to find solutions and effect meaningful change. Acceptance opens the doors to growth and paves the way for personal transformation. Law 8. The law of gratitude. Gratitude multiplies abundance. This law highlights the transformative power of gratitude. By expressing gratitude for what we have, we attract more abundance into our lives. When we cultivate a mindset of appreciation and acknowledge the blessings around us, we create a positive energy that attracts even greater blessings. Law 9. The law of expansion. Wherever you go, there you are. This law reminds us that our inner state determines our outer reality. To create a fulfilling life, we must nurture our inner world by cultivating positive thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes. By expanding our consciousness and shifting our focus from limitation to possibility, we pave the way for growth, success, and the realization of our dreams. Law 10. The Law of Ownership. Our lives are of our own making, nothing else. This law empowers us to take full responsibility for our lives and the choices we make. By acknowledging our power to shape our reality, we reclaim control and become active participants in our own destinies. By taking ownership of our thoughts, actions, and circumstances, we unlock the potential to create the life we truly desire. Law 11. The Law of Significance and Inspiration. The best reward is one that contributes to the whole. This law emphasizes the profound impact we can have on the world through our actions and intentions. By living a life of significance, driven by purpose and inspired by our true essence, we become catalysts for positive change. Through our unique contributions, we leave a lasting legacy that uplifts and inspires others to reach their highest potential. Law 12. The Law of Interconnectedness. Everything you do is somehow connected. This law unveils the profound interconnectedness of all beings and events. Our actions, no matter how seemingly insignificant, ripple through the fabric of existence, affecting not only ourselves but also the world around us. By recognizing and honoring this interconnection, we can make conscious choices that contribute positively to the collective well-being. Law 13. The Law of Presence. One cannot be present if they are looking backward or forward. This law teaches us the importance of living in the present moment. By releasing attachments to the past and worries about the future, we fully immerse ourselves in the richness of the here and now. It is in the present moment that we have the power to shape our reality and make conscious choices that align with our highest potential. Law 14. The Law of Focus. You cannot think of two things at the same time. This law reminds us of the power of focused attention. By directing our thoughts, energy, and actions toward our goals and aspirations, we harness the full force of our intention. By consciously choosing to focus on what truly matters, we create a magnetic pull that propels us toward success and fulfillment. Law 15. The Law of Patience and Persistence. Nothing of value is created without a patient mindset. This law reminds us that patience and persistence are the keys to achieving lasting success and fulfillment. By staying committed to our goals and dreams, even in the face of challenges and setbacks, we cultivate resilience and inner strength. Through unwavering dedication and a steadfast belief in ourselves, we lay the foundation for extraordinary achievements. Law 16. The Law of Adaptability. History repeats itself, unless changed. This law underscores the necessity of embracing change and adaptability. Just as the world around us evolves, so must we. By letting go of resistance and fear, we open ourselves to new possibilities, growth, and transformation. Through embracing change, we break free from stagnant patterns and create a vibrant, ever-evolving existence. Law 17. The Law of Giving and Contribution. Demonstrating selflessness shows true intentions. This law highlights the transformative power of generosity and selflessness. By giving freely without expecting anything in return, we tap into the infinite abundance of the universe. Through acts of kindness, compassion, and service, we create a ripple effect of positivity that not only enriches the lives of others, but also nourishes our own soul. Whether you embrace the concept of karma or not, it's undeniable that these laws encapsulate fundamental principles and wisdom that can improve our lives. By understanding and applying these laws of karma, we can embark on a journey towards a more fulfilling and impactful existence. What are your thoughts on karma? Do you believe in its influence? We'd love to hear your perspective on these karmic laws and how they resonate with you. Share your thoughts and comments below. We value your insights. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. Your encouragement motivates us to continue creating content like this. To stay updated with our latest videos, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll receive timely notifications whenever we release a new video. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your presence and hope these karmic laws inspire positive transformations in your life.